Misuse. Hi guys, we're at Staythorpe level crossing in Nottinghamshire with Joe and Jamie. There we go, time is 15:44 on Tuesday the 6th of August, September 26th, and this is for our 1540, I said September, 1547, to Lima 73, East Midlands train service from Leicester, Lincoln Central. Jamie, what is the meaning of this?
The meaning of this is that you make a video, I look at the video, everyone else watches the video, then you gotta get all your stuff together and then get to the chapel like little blah. Gotta get the escape ladder, break the glass, get out of the window and then get out of it like a little pony on its knees, otherwise you're going to die because the fire is going to destroy you. Anyways.
We'll get too close in a matter of 10 minutes.
Yes. That is called being a pony on it.
The new box is open. Thingy. Oh my goodness, Jamie, look at this. This light's dropped down.
Oh my god.
Yeah, that's strange. It's been held on my cable ties too. They're supposed to stand up on here like this, but that one there's dropped in. That's kind of weird. Here it is. We have coming slow by the sounds of it. Yeah, 158 777. 158 777 to Lincoln via Newark Castle, and that was going quite slow.
I'm gonna go break the glass.
There you go. Oh wow. Okay guys, we'll see you in the next video.